How to blur a part of a video in CapCut. So if you want to blur a part of a video in CapCut, then first you just need to open up your CapCut application. Once you're here, you need to simply go with project. So I'll be choosing an existing project. Once you choose the project, now here you will have your project, right? So in order to make something blurry, then what you need to do is you just need to simply choose the video in which you would like to add the blur. So for example, I'll be choosing this part. Once you've chosen this part, now you need to simply copy the part and again paste that part on the upper side of the video. Once you've copied and pasted, you need to go for the effects option, which is here on the upper left. Click on effects and then go for the search and search for blur effect or the blurry effect. Once you search here, you will have all of the blurs. So you can simply choose a common blur and click on the arrow option and again click on the plus and the blur effect will be added. So you just need to enlarge the blur and here you need to select the upper two interfaces and then go for the right click and go for create compound clip. Once you've created a compound clip, now what you can do is simply go for the video option, create the compound clip, go for video and then go for mask. And here you need to choose the type of mask that you want to add. So for example, I'll be choosing a rectangle mask. Once you've chosen, now you need to simply add this mask or add this interface wherever you would like to blur the video. And now you can play the video, and that's how you can blur a part of a video in CapCut. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.